380 fps. So you can have a look. These are some of the safety rules. You can read safety rules. And then we come to manual, and as you can see, 380 fps. You can fire pellet and BBs which use 12 gram CO2 cylinder. This is a vintage look. Have a look. Very smooth grip. Now I'll show you. This have 2 lbs. Weight is 2 lbs and single action. It means every time you have to cock it. When you fire, every time you have to cock it. First we do on firing mode. So as you can see, by clicking this is the ejecting rod. As I told you, the shell comes out. There is no need to eject the shell. You just simply put pellet. As you can see, pellet, I have already put pellet to make the video short. This have a big hole from front, and I'll show you how to put CO2 cylinder. I use 12 gram CO2 cylinder. As you know, before putting CO2 cylinder, we use 4 drop of, every time we put 4 drop of oil. Then we put CO2 in it, and then this is Allen key. This comes with Allen key. This grip, just tight it little bit, and then slightly, and it's done. So just put it on. So easy. So I told you this have a long barrel with the grip, wooden grip. It's made of plastic but very smooth, and it's come with John Vonne badging, as you can see. As you can read, Duke Colt single action revolver. It means you have to cork it every time.